In 4 years as president, Donald Trump was fact-checked more than any U.S. leader in history. One major project by the Washington Post logged 30,573 false or misleading claims during his term, each tied to a date, place, and quote. The tally didn't come from a single article or opinion piece. It came from a searchable database built over 4 years, documenting Trump's statements on the economy, immigration, healthcare, elections, and more. Trump repeatedly claimed he created the greatest economy in history. Fact-checkers compared this to standard economic measures, GDP growth, job creation, and other indicators. By those metrics, Presidents Eisenhower, Johnson, and Clinton all oversaw stronger growth than Trump. Trump also claimed he passed the largest tax cut in U.S. history. Fact-checkers compared the size of his tax law to previous cuts as a share of the economy. Ronald Reagan's 1981 tax cut was significantly larger, about 2.9% of GDP, compared with roughly 1% for Trump's. After the 2020 election, Trump repeatedly claimed the vote was rigged or stolen. Courts across the country, including judges appointed by Trump, rejected these claims for lack of evidence. State and local election officials from both parties affirmed that there was no widespread fraud that would change the outcome. Fact-checking organizations classified these statements as false, noting that Trump continued to repeat them even after his own administration's officials publicly contradicted them. The fact-checkers' data shows a pattern. Early in his term, Trump averaged about 6 false or misleading claims per day. By his final year, that average had risen to nearly 40 per day. Each entry in the database includes the exact quote, the context, and the evidence used to evaluate it. Government statistics, court rulings, expert analysis, and prior statements. This story isn't about one misstatement or one politician. It's about what happens when repeated false claims come from the highest office in the country. The record, built by independent fact-checkers over years, shows where Trump's words diverged from verifiable facts. What we do with that record is up to us.